Let me show you how to make my slow cooked caramelized pork belly. This dish is so easy. You just set and forget, put in the slow cooker, 6 hours, 8 hours later, boom, it is ready. It's delicious, got so many great Asian flavors. I'm sure you're gonna love it. What you're gonna need is not much really. So I've got 1 onion here that I've sliced, and I'm just adding it to my cold slow cooker. I've also got here a knob of ginger that I've julienned. I've actually got quite a bit of ginger. I love a lot of ginger. I'm using 1 whole chilli and chopping up just for a little bit of flavor. And now I'm gonna add some aromats such as star anise and cinnamon. Now the main ingredient here is obviously pork belly. So in the shops you can buy pork rashers, and then I've just cut them into cubes. Now for people who are just like, oh, pork belly's so fatty, it is. But when you slow cook it, you're gonna render out all that fat and it'll actually come to the surface once it's finished cooking. So if you wanna get rid of that excess fat, you can. If not, hey, fat is flavor. Yum. Now I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder, followed by a good grind of pepper. So the great thing about these friends that SJ has signed up for their meal train is they're not only gluten-free, they're also dairy-free. And as a good friend, I'm making sure that this is dairy-free and gluten-free. So I'm gonna be using tamari, but if you have soy sauce at home, go to town, use soy sauce. It's just because of these people I'm using tamari. I'm now also going to add a glug of mirin. Now, it wouldn't be caramelized pork belly without a bit of sugar content. So, bringing you some brown sugar. Now, people are gonna be like, whoa, that's so much. I'm actually using like about 1/2 cup, all right? Let's be real, it's actually 3/4 of a cup. But I'm using brown sugar today. It's gonna add that deep caramel color, a richness, a sweetness. It makes it so good. Now that's everything. I'm just putting it in the slow cooker and I'm gonna slow cook for 6 to 8 hours. It's so simple. With only 20 minutes to go, I'm going to add some sugar snap peas as well as a cornflour and cold water slurry just to thicken up the sauce. This smells so bloody good.